Today I want to tell you about my lovely house. And let's start. I live in a detached house. I live in a detached house, and my family house is my favorite place in the world. I've been living there since I was born, and it's where my mom and dad settled and started the family. And we have a little garden in my house. A little garden have some fruit trees and have a large yard. A large yard is we can play volleyball or play badminton or play football, and we can drink tea in the morning in the corner of the yard. It's so awesome. And my mother and around the yard have lots of flowers because my mother love, loves to grow flowers. My house also has a big gate designed in Asian style, and my house there is a kitchen. In the kitchen, have a two and have two fridges and a cooker and a sink. In my house, there is a dining room. In the dining room, have four chairs and one table. There is a bathroom in my house. In the bedroom have one toilet and one shower. There are three bedrooms in my house. In my house, uh, bedroom have a bed, a wardrobe, and a bookcase. There is a living room in my house. In the living room have two armchairs and have one table, one TV, and one mirror, large mirror. My house is very spacious and cool. I live with my parents and my brother. My house is near to the town in quiet neighborhood. The reason I really like it because it is very closest to my heart and due to family presence and love.